want? You want this? This girl. What do you want? What's going on? Yeah, this is like kitty crack. Every night, she's looking for it and yells like crazy to get it. Her kitty crack. I don't know what the heck they put in this. I should really read the ingredients. I'm sure it's like not great. It's like oil. And if I pureed my own, it wouldn't probably go off as well as this, but she just loves this stuff. Squeeze ups, I think there's another one called Churu. This is Chloe, everyone. Enjoying her kitty crack. Is it good, baby? Huh? Is it good? All done. All done. You good? All done. She wants more. Not gonna happen, girl. Not till tomorrow.